Two of my rookies are here who's going to present a talk on distributed databases and their experiences. They'll introduce themselves. So they were also the Postgres Women India flag bearers, I would say.
Go through this service model, and also about the update manager, you can see whether the extensions that are created through the PGH platform are properly installed or not, whether they are installed or we need to install it again, and what are the versions of those installations, so you can have a clear picture of it. And I think that is open source CLI. Yeah, you can also go through that code in Git. And we also support the 20 plus Postgres extensions. So we know that Postgres is open source, anyone can have any extension on the Postgres. So PGH also supports this 20 Postgres extensions. And PGH has two products. One is PGH platform and the other one is PGH cloud. And we do this PGH cloud on Kubernetes, Docker, and if you visit our website, you can also have that PGH cloud. You can go and test it. So this is about the platform architecture.
Talking right now, they've got node 1 and node 2. The cross-firing is more between. This is not something that we have done out of the blue. There has been logical decoding in Postgres since PG10 onwards, right? There are subscribers and publishers that are created. So we are using the same low-level APIs that Postgres has written for us. What we are doing at this point in time, we are looking at a mesh topology and creating subscriptions across the nodes. So one subscriber on the node 1 is actually talking to the subscriber on node 2. Node 2 is doing the same, vice versa. Yeah, you are asking a question.
Us, and then we were able to get them up, to the finish line in 3 months, and they have been so impressed that they are everywhere on every forum talking about DMAP.
He given the opportunity. Okay, this was her question. A valid question at that, because she had close to 5 years of experience while I had just one. And then there was another person who was equally as senior as her. The way he went and spoke to my manager, it gave a lot of respect for me in him. So, for him in me. So, he went and asked my manager, I understand that somewhere I have not met this performance standards you want to. Can I understand what I should do next, so that next year when I come here, I don't stand in a point of lag, so that I can set the example for the others to follow. Those words still stay with me, because I saw different shift in different perspective for same scenario in two different persons. Okay, the scenario was same. Somebody was joined as a fresher, has bagged a higher appraisal, but the first person was jealous of it. She didn't like it. The second person was looking at it from a different perspective. He respected the fact that somebody has got good, but he also wanted to ensure that he was able to get the same. Okay, so those thought patterns are what determine what kind of emotional state you are going to be in. And based on these thoughts, you will show certain actions, which is the way you express your emotions. When I say I'm happy, I'm going to smile. When I say I'm angry, I'm going to frown. Any emotional state, any thought pattern, they have.
Like 7 IPs. So is there a way I can put it in a config file and put the
Yeah. So there is a JSON based installation approach also available, just to make sure the demo is easy to understand for all the folks who do not know about distributed databases. Hari and Kirti have chosen a manual installation way. So you can do a JSON based, you can just populate a JSON with a simple command called as JSON cluster create, and then that will give you a JSON template. So you can go ahead and have 7 to 20 database clusters available. In the interest of time, I'll ask